If you're in Mangalore and call yourself a seafood lover, there's one place that simply cannot be missed: GiriManja. After hearing countless recommendations over the years, the four of us finally made our way here. And from the moment we sat down, we knew we were in for something special. The aroma coming from the kitchen itself was enough to make us impatient. The moment the dishes started arriving, our table transformed into a seafood paradise. No meal is truly complete without a visit to the legendary Pabas. By the time we reached Pabas, we were already quite full, but once the desserts arrived, somehow we magically found room for more. Hey folks, welcome to KSSK Cravings. If you're visiting Mangalore, there's one thing you simply cannot miss before you begin your food trail: refreshing yourself with nature's own energy drink, tender coconut, and the delicious seasoned ice apple. Locally known as Tadgola, in Kannada we call it Tatiningo. One sip of that natural sweet, chilled coconut water instantly refreshed us. It was light, hydrating, and exactly what we needed before setting off on our Mangalore food adventure. Then came the ice apple. Soft, translucent, and every bite melted in the mouth. Its cooling texture made it the perfect fruit for a hot coastal afternoon. We stood there enjoying every bite, chatting, laughing, and soaking in the simple joy of eating fresh seasonal fruit by the roadside. Sometimes the best travel memories aren't created in fancy restaurants, they're made at small roadside stalls where fresh local produce, friendly smiles, and authentic flavors come together to create unforgettable moments. With our thirst quenched, our spirits refreshed, and our excitement at its peak, the four of us were now ready for what Mangalore is truly famous for: an unforgettable seafood feast that awaits us at the legendary GiriManja. But before we go to GiriManja, let me tell you where we stayed close to Mangalore so that we could access beach at a proxy. If you are looking for a peaceful beachfront stay away from the city, then this video is for you. Today we are taking you inside one of Mangalore's hidden gems, Casa Marina beachfront resort. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a romantic getaway, a weekend staycation, or simply looking to wake up to the sound of the Arabian Sea, this property deserves a place on your shortlist. In this video, I'll take you through every part of the resort, from the rooms and swimming pool to the beach access, facilities, and everything else you need to know before booking your stay. So let's begin. The first thing you will notice as you enter Casa Marina is how peaceful the surroundings are. Unlike large commercial hotels, this resort has a warm, boutique-style atmosphere. One of my favorite parts of this property is the beautiful cottage located close to the swimming pool. This cottage offers a wonderful blend of privacy and convenience. Imagine stepping out of your room and being just a few steps away from the pool. It's perfect for couples celebrating special occasions, families with children who love swimming, or anyone who simply wants a relaxed holiday without constantly walking around the property. The cottage also offers a charming holiday feel that's difficult to find in conventional city hotels. Now let's talk about one of the biggest attractions, the swimming pool. The pool is beautifully maintained and surrounded by greenery. Whether you're taking an early morning swim, spending the afternoon relaxing by the water, or enjoying an evening dip after exploring Mangalore, it's a wonderful place to unwind. The resort also has a separate children's pool, allowing younger guests to enjoy themselves safely while parents can relax nearby. Comfortable seating around the pool makes it an excellent place to read a book, enjoy a cup of coffee, or simply soak in the peaceful surrounding. One of the biggest advantages of Casa Marina is that it isn't a crowded resort. The property has just 11 thoughtfully designed rooms, making it an excellent choice for guests who value privacy, comfort, and a peaceful holiday experience. Instead of hundreds of rooms and noisy corridors, you get a calm, intimate atmosphere where every guest receives personal attention. The check-in process is simple and welcoming, and the staff make you feel at home from the very beginning. The resort offers multiple room categories to suit different travel needs. There are comfortable garden view rooms surrounded by lush greenery, ideal for couples and solo travelers looking for a quiet retreat. Pool view rooms offer lovely views of the swimming pool and are especially popular among families. For those wanting the best experience, sea view rooms let you wake up to breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea. The resort also has spacious family rooms and suites, making them perfect for large families or groups traveling together. If you're traveling with friends or on a corporate outing, dormitory style accommodation is also available. Every room is clean, spacious, well maintained, air conditioned, and thoughtfully furnished to ensure a comfortable stay. Large windows allow plenty of natural light, creating a bright and relaxing ambience throughout the day. Let's quickly go through the facilities available at Casa Marina. They have free Wi-Fi throughout the property. Private parking is available for guests traveling by car. Airport transfers can be arranged on request. Daily housekeeping ensures your room remains neat and comfortable throughout your stay. Nature lovers, photographers, digital creators, anyone wanting to disconnect from city life will absolutely appreciate this place. If your idea of holiday is peace, greenery, ocean views, and comfortable accommodation, Casa Marina checks all the right boxes. Personally, what impressed me most about Casa Marina wasn't just the beach. It was the peaceful atmosphere. The limited number of rooms means the property never feels overcrowded. The swimming pool is clean and inviting. The beach is beautiful. The staff are courteous and welcoming. And the overall ambience encourages you to slow down, relax, and genuinely enjoy your holiday. Sometimes luxury isn't about grand chandeliers or massive buildings. Sometimes luxury is waking up to the sound of waves, sipping your morning coffee with an open breeze, taking a quiet walk on the beach, and spending quality time with the people who matter most. That's exactly what Casa Marina offers. So, would I recommend Casa Marina Beachfront Resort? Absolutely. If you're looking for a boutique beachfront resort with comfortable rooms, excellent hospitality, a beautiful swimming pool, direct beach access, peaceful surroundings, and easy connectivity to Mangalore's famous attractions, this property is definitely worth considering. Whether it's a weekend getaway, a family vacation, or simply a break from your busy schedule, Casa Marina provides everything you need for a memorable coastal holiday. Another advantage is the resort's location itself. You're close enough to explore Mangalore's famous attractions while still enjoying the peaceful atmosphere of a beachfront property. One place every visitor should experience is the legendary GiriManja restaurant, famous across Karnataka for its authentic Mangalore seafood. From Casa Marina Beach Resort, GiriManja is approximately 14 kilometers away, and the drive usually takes around 30 to 35 minutes, depending upon traffic, of course. After spending the day relaxing at the resort, a seafront feast at GiriManja is the perfect way to complete your Mangalore experience. The moment the dishes started arriving, our table transformed into a seafood paradise. We began with the start of the meal, beautifully fried sheer fish, perfectly marinated with the traditional Mangalorean masala, crispy on the outside, incredibly soft and flaky on the inside. Every bite carried that unmistakable coastal flavor that seafood lovers dream of. Next came the pomfret, fresh, juicy, and cooked just right. The texture of the fish blended perfectly with the rich spices without overpowering its natural sweetness. It disappeared from the plate in no time. Then arrived the prawns. These weren't just prawns, they were little bursts of flavors coated in spicy masala with just the right amount of heat. And then came one of my personal favorites, the squid. It was tender, perfectly cooked, never rubbery, and packed with flavor. It's surprisingly difficult to cook squid this well, but GiriManja's absolutely nailed it. Now, every seafood feast needs the perfect companion, and that's where the neer dosa came in. Soft, paper thin, and incredibly light, it soaked up every bit of the delicious gravies and masalas. Along with it, we enjoyed Mangalore's famous boiled rice, whose unique texture and earthy flavor paired beautifully with every seafood dish on the table. What made the experience even more memorable was not just the food, it was the four of us enjoying it together. The moment every dish reached the table, all conversation stopped. There was no waiting around for photographs or formalities. Everyone simply dug in, plates kept moving, pieces kept disappearing, and every few minutes, someone would say, "You have to taste this," or "Pass me that fish before it's gone." The laughter, the excitement, and the friendly competition for the last piece made the meal even more enjoyable. That's the magic of great food, it brings people together. After what can only be described as an unforgettable seafood feast, we thought our food journey had come to an end. But in Mangalore, no meal is truly completed without a visit to the legendary Pabas. By the time we reached Pabas, we were already quite full. But once the desserts arrived, somehow we magically found room for more. First came the iconic Gadbad ice cream, layer after layer of ice cream, fresh fruits, jelly, nuts, syrups, and creamy goodness. Every spoonful tasted different from the previous one. No wonder that dessert has become a legend across generation. Then we tried the seasoned jackfruit ice cream, rich, creamy, and carrying the unmistakable aroma and sweetness of ripe jackfruit. It was a refreshing reminder of Karnataka's love for this incredible fruit. By the end of it all, every bowl was completely clean. From the unforgettable seafood feast at GiriManja's to the iconic desserts at Pabas, this wasn't just about eating, it was about experiencing two of Mangalore's greatest culinary traditions with friends who enjoyed every bite as much as you do. If you're planning a trip to Mangaluru, make sure both these places are on your itinerary. Come hungry, bring good company, and prepare for a meal you will be talking about long after you have left the city. So folks, thanks for watching this particular video. Please like, subscribe and support us. Thank you.